Welcome to the golden crunch of nostalgia. Today we're making classic English toffee, an elegant treat that never goes out of style. Start by toasting your nuts. In a dry skillet over medium heat, gently toast chopped almonds or pecans for 4 to 5 minutes, until they're fragrant and lightly golden. Set half aside for the topping. Next, prep your tray. Line a baking sheet with parchment or a silicone mat, and scatter half the toasted nuts evenly across it. Now for the heart of the toffee. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter. Add 1 cup of sugar and a pinch of sea salt. Stir gently and keep a close eye as it bubbles, thickens, and deepens to a rich amber color. Once it hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the hard crack stage, remove it from heat. Quickly pour the hot toffee over your nut-lined tray. Spread it evenly before it begins to set. Wait a few minutes, then add the magic. Sprinkle dark chocolate chips over the warm toffee. Let them soften, then smooth into a glossy, rich layer. Finish with the rest of your toasted nuts, gently pressing them into the chocolate so they stick beautifully. Let it cool completely, at room temperature or in the fridge. Once set, break the toffee into rustic shards and store in an airtight container. It'll keep for up to 2 weeks, or longer in the fridge. Pro tips. Use a candy thermometer to hit that perfect crunch point. Stir sparingly to avoid crystallization. And don't skip toasting the nuts. The flavor boost is worth it. This recipe is alcohol-free, pork-free, and easy to adapt for nut-free diets. For more timeless recipes and elegant sweets, subscribe at gourmet.com and bring gourmet home.